This is a tutorial on how to make a nameplate using Autodesk Fusion. Our first step is to see what we're going to make. We want to make something that looks like this. So we have a new untitled part. We're going to save the name of the part. We're going to name it I Love Welding. Click Save. The next step is to create a sketch, which is this button here. And we're going to create a sketch on this front plane, which is the blue and red plane. We're going to make a rectangle. So we click 2-point rectangle or R on your keyboard. Click on the origin and drag up and to the right. Click again. Click D on your keyboard or the dimension button and dimension this 20 inches and 2 inches. So we've made a rectangle that's 20 inches wide, 2 inches tall. Now we're going to go to create text. And this doesn't matter exactly where, but we're going to click somewhere above our rectangle. And we're going to drag over a rectangle. It's about the same size. Click again. And now we have some sample text in here. We're going to type in all uppercase, I love welding. And you can play around with the font. So you can go skinny. Bold. I like rounded. You can also change the height, which will also change the width. When you're happy with the text, you click OK. And then you place it so that it overlaps. It must overlap. If you look right here and zoom in, you'll see the bottom of the text is overlapping the rectangle. If you don't do that, it won't join together. So now that our text is overlapping the rectangle, we're going to right click on the text and click Explode Text. So that created an outline. Now we're done with our sketch. So we finish sketch. We're going to extrude and we're going to click everything. We have to unclick anything that's hollow. And it looks like I missed these two little parts right here. So everything that's blue will be filled in with metal. When we are happy, we're going to extrude it 0.06 inches. And just like that, we have a solid. You know it's a solid because if you rotate it, which you can do by holding Control on your keyboard, Shift, and click the center mouse wheel, Shift, center mouse wheel, you can orbit. You can also click the orbit button right here, and then just use your left mouse wheel. Constrain your orbits. Now that we have a solid, we're going to go into sheet metal and we're going to convert it to sheet metal. It will automatically decide that it's 0.06 inches. Within sheet metal, we want to create a flat pattern. So this button right here. Click stationary face OK. From this point, you want to export. And you want to convert your splines to polylines. And you want tolerance to be 0.001 inches or 1/1000th of 1 inch. Click OK. It's going to ask, where do you want to save it? You want to save it to your computer. You should put it in your downloads. It will name it flat pattern. This is where you want to click and type your name or the name of your part. Save. At that point, you want to finish your flat pattern, and you make close Fusion, and then submit the assignment into Canvas.